So I just got done installing this bathroom cabinet, brand spanking new, and there was something wrong with this hinge. You can see that it's loose. The problem is that somewhere at the factory they put this in too tight, and you'll see I'm tightening it and it's not gripping because the wood has been stripped out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this cabinet door off. You'll see this is just a small wood screw, and we'll take the one off the top. The one off the top is not stripped. Alright, so let's focus on this hole. How we're going to fix this is with a toothpick and a little bit of wood glue. So what I usually do is get some of the glue on the toothpick and I push it in the hole and I literally just break it off like that. And then you can take the same toothpick and push it in the hole again and then break it off. Now if you have to, if it doesn't break off flush, we can just cut that off with a knife. There we go. Make sure it's pretty flush. And then let's get the, you could wait for that to dry, but I find that's not necessary. And what we're going to do is put the door back on. We'll get the top one in first, because that's the good one. And kind of position this in the right spot. And then we'll take our screw down here at the bottom. Line up the hole. And I can already tell the hole is much tighter. And there we go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.